The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. It doesn't matter how beautiful your theory is, it doesn't matter how smart you are. If it doesn't agree with experiment, it's wrong. For a successful technology, reality must take precedence over public relations, for nature cannot be fooled. Take precedence over public relations, for nature cannot be fooled. Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns, so that each small piece of her fabric reveals the organization of the entire tapestry. If I could explain it to the average person, it wouldn't have been worth the Nobel Prize. I believe that a scientist looking at non-scientific problems is just as dumb as the next guy. Once I get on a puzzle, I can't get off. See that the imagination of nature is far, far greater than the imagination of man. The internal machinery of life, the chemistry of the parts, is something beautiful. And it turns out that all life is interconnected with all other life. I thought one should have the attitude of what do you care what other people think. The most remarkable discovery in all of astronomy is that the stars are made of atoms of the same kind as those on the Earth. I don't know what's the matter with people, they don't learn by understanding, they learn by some other way, by rote, or something. Their knowledge is so fragile. Is science of any value? I think a power to do something is of value. Whether the result is a good thing or a bad thing depends on how it is used, but the power is of value. It is necessary to look at the results of observation objectively, because you, the experimenter, might like one result better than another. Poets say science takes away from the beauty of the stars, mere globs of gas atoms. I, too, can see the stars on a desert night, and feel them. But do I see less or more? In any decision for action, when you have to make up your mind what to do, there is always a should involved, and this cannot be worked out from, if I do this, what will happen? Alone. First figure out why you want the students to learn the subject and what you want them to know, and the method will result more or less by common sense.